If I were a bird, I'd sing a song and fly about the whole day long. And when the night comes, go to rest up in my cozy little nest. Birds build nests for the same reason as man builds his home. They usually lay their eggs in their nests, hatch and nurture their young ones till the time they can fly away. It is also very important to protect their newly hatched young ones from being eaten up by bigger birds and animals. Every kind of bird has its unique ways of building its nest. How birds make their nests. Birds collect dry leaves, straw, hay, grass and twigs to build their nests. They make the nest soft inside using pieces of cotton or feathers. They select a cozy place in the branches of trees where the nest will not be noticed by bigger birds and animals. Weaver birds. Weaver birds are known to make the best nests. These birds weave a beautiful nest with grass and dry leaves hanging from a branch. The nest has a tunnel-like entrance. The weaver bird takes care to see that the nest does not fall down easily. Tailor birds. The tailor bird builds its nest with leaves. It uses its sharp beak as a needle to stitch the leaves together with straw, wool or cotton. Wool, fine grass, hair and cotton keep the tailor bird's nest nice and warm. Woodpeckers. The woodpecker makes its nest in the hollow of a tree. It keeps pounding the tree trunk with its hard and pointed beak to make its nest. Later, it keeps the nest warm with grass and lays its eggs there. Vultures. Vultures build their nests on large trees. These birds put few sticks together to make their nests. Penguins. Since penguins cannot fly, they built their nests on the ground. These birds use pebbles to make their nests. Sparrows and pigeons. Most birds build their nests on trees. These birds sometimes make their nests inside houses, especially those that are vacant. They build nests on ceiling fans that are not in use, on top of cupboards, etc. Quails and cuckoos. Quails and cuckoos don't build nests. Instead, they lay their eggs in the nests of other birds, such as jungle crows and ravens. Naturally, their young ones are nurtured by foster parents without their knowledge. Birds are useful. Birds help us in several ways. As food, we eat the meat and eggs of hen, ducks, and partridges. Birds feed on insects, mice, and rats that damage crops growing in the fields. Sometimes, pollen and plant seeds get stuck to the feet, claws, and beaks of bees. The birds unknowingly carry them over distances. We must never trouble birds by touching their nests, eggs, or young ones. Birds should be free to fly in open skies and not imprisoned within a cage. Be sensitive towards these lovely creatures, which make the world a lovely place to live. Among the trees is a bird's nest, and in the nest her 3 eggs rest. And in each egg, hush, you'll be heard. There lies asleep a tiny bird.